Hi, I'm John with Bone Dry Roofing. We're going to be discussing the difference in how roofs used to be installed versus how we install a roof the bone dry way. The two main components of how roofs used to be installed are felt paper that is very brittle and can tear during installation and is only 24 to 48 hours water resistant. Many roofs also were installed using 3-tab shingles that only has a 60 mile/hour wind rating, and those often blow off during heavy thunderstorms. Now for a bone dry roof. The first thing we do is tear off down to the decking and ensure we have a solid nailable surface. The decking is re-nailed every 6 inches on center per Florida code. Next up is the first item installed, peel and stick. This is a 3-foot roll that is applied over the entire roofing system. It self-heals around nails to give the roof maximum protection from the elements. After that is the drip edge. The drip edge is nailed every 4 inches around the perimeter of the home, and then we apply a 6-inch wide layer of tar. It also has a kick-out feature to ensure that water wicks away from the home and keeps the home bone dry. Following this is the first shingle or the starter strip. This to ensure that we have a solid seal all the way to the edge and that the shingles can't blow up in high winds. The next shingle is the duration dimensional shingle. It has a patented sure nail strip through it where the nails go. The duration shingles are nailed with a 6-nail pattern, giving it a 160 mile/hour wind rating. And then we move on to ventilation. The vent shore ridge vent goes at the peak to ensure that the attic space has a lot of area to move that hot air through and regulate the temperature. It utilizes the Bernoulli effect, so when wind blows over the top of the ridge, it creates draw out of that attic space to help regulate that temperature. Last but not least is the hip and ridge shingle. This goes over the top of the ridge and on any other creased or peaks or hips because it has a special additive that gives the shingle flexibility so it won't crack. I hope this has helped you understand the differences between how roofs used to be installed and how we do it the bone dry way.